In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving a first impression review of one of Amazon's top rated adjustable weight sets. This comes in at 44 pounds and only $79. So basically you can't beat it for the price. We're at 2,400 reviews, 4.4 stars. Let's get this unboxed and check it out. By the end of the video, if you're thinking about this adjustable weight set, you'll know exactly what you're getting. Now these come double boxed, so you don't have to worry about any damage. And if you do want more weight, there is a couple other levels you can buy. I think it goes up to 66 pounds after this and 88 pounds after that. It just costs a little bit more. But the basic design is going to be the same. Now one reason, and a lot of reasons that other people buy this set, is because of this shape. These don't roll if you lay them on the floor. So a lot of people set up a gym down in their basement where if you have a round weight and you lay it on the floor, guess what? It's going to take off rolling. So that's one nice thing about it. It is individually wrapped. So not only is it double boxed, each weight is wrapped, and there's also some more foam padding in here. So you don't have to worry about shipping damage. This is going to arrive on your doorstep undamaged and ready to go. Here's everything in the box. You have four 4.5 pound weights, which equals 18 pounds. You have four 3.5 pound weights, equals 14 pounds. And you have four 2.75 pound weights, which equal 11 pounds. So total weight is going to be 43 pounds. And then as you can see, you have 3 bars. You can screw them all together and make one long one, or you have the 2 short ones for doing arm curls and such like that. So actual weight is 43 pounds. And then I assume you add 1 pound each for the bars. So this is what the weights look like on the bar. As you can see, you have a threaded collar on both sides, and you can add quite a bit of weight to each side. Now being threaded, you know that it's not going to slide off. Some of the other ones have spring clamps, and I would trust this system better than those. If you want to make one straight bar, you don't have to take your weights completely apart. That middle bar will thread right on to each side. So if you're looking for an inexpensive, adjustable weight set that seems to be of pretty decent quality, this might be the ticket. I'll be using these over the next couple weeks and do a full-on review then. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video and you got a little bit of information from it. Thanks for watching.